Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to divide by 0. Before we get to that, I think we might need to go over how division works, what division is. So here I have 8 items. I'm going to divide 8 by 4. So what you do is you put them all in a slot, and then you take out items until you put all of your items in this slot, and then you take out items until there are only 4 of them in this slot. So there. Now you have 4 items. I have some number of slots. Each of them has 4 items in it, so you can see here that 8 divided by 4 is 2. And similarly, if you divide 8 by 2, so that's one slot with 2 items in it. There's another slot, and a third slot, and a fourth slot. So you can see here that 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now for the question that you probably came for, what happens when you divide by 0? So here you have 1 item, which is more than 0, so you have to move items to the next slot until there's 0 in this slot. So there's 1 slot with 0 in it, but then the second slot has too many items, so there's 2 slots with 0, 3 slots with 0, but the fourth slot has too many items, so you have to move items to the next slot until there's 0 in that slot. So 4, that's 4 slot with 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9 slots so far, but we're not done dividing yet because the 10th slot has too many items in it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So now we have 37 slots here. We just put 1 item, we just distributed 1 item through 37 slots, and now all 37 of them have 0 items in them each. So there you go, 1 divided by 0 equals 37. Thanks for watching.